Okay, here comes my favorite part. Is to do a little bit transformation. Okay, so once you have added this object into this 3D view, you can transform any object into any form in Blender because it's very flexible engine. And let me just show it for you. Okay, just if you choose the select box, okay, and you press Shift and A, you add a little mesh. Say I want to add a cube here. Okay, so I add another cube, and I'm going to use a different name rather than cube 001. Okay, I'm going to use cube transformer. Okay, transformer. Okay, just some random little name that to make it apart from this original cube. Okay, so I'm going to change that cube transformer by using the transformer. Okay, there's a transform function, and you can click that, and there is a very difficult or complicated tool that will show up, like a cubish and a lot of line coordinates and little box, different kind of box and arrow here. Okay, so this is kind of tool that consists of a lot of functionality inside of it, and the basic function of this tool is to transform this object. You can transform the coordinates, you can transform this rotations, you can transform this size, and you can rotate it. Okay, you can do a lot of things by just using this kind of transformer. So I think this is a very good tool, and I think most of the time I'm use this transformer. Okay, rather than just change the coordinates or just change the size. Okay, so how to use the transformer? Okay, so first we can change the coordinate by just click and drag. Okay, and there's three different kind of color of arrow here. The blue one is to move at the Z axis, and the red one, of course, if you click it and drag it, you can move at the X axis, and of course the green one will let the cube to move in at the Y axis. Okay, so this is more like this move tool embedded into this transformers tool. Okay, and of course you can do rotation at different faces. Okay, so if you just click the I think it's blue here, if you click it and you drag it, you can actually spin this kind of cube round and round. Okay, you can spin it to any angle, any direction that you want, and once you unclick it, you will stick to that position. Okay, so you can also just click the green circle here, and you can rotate it at the green circle's faces, and you can just rotate it. Okay, once you unclick it, it will stick to that direction. Okay, and once you click the red circle, you can just rotate at the red faces. Okay, so this kind of rotation transformation, and you just click the specific circle and you got it. Okay, and then you can also change the size of the subject by just click and drag the cube thing. Okay, I think there's three different kind of colors of cube inside of this transformer. There is a red, there is a blue, there is a green here, and once you click it, it will transform it by just adjust its size. Okay, so this way you can not only to move the direction of this subject, you can not only to spin or rotate this subject, you can also change the size of this subject. Okay, so pretty useful tool here, And I think I use this tool all the time, so I think it's very crucial for you guys to know that this tool and just play with it a little bit, and you will get a hang of it. Okay,